Okay, we're on the corner of Cormorant Place and Peppercorn Court. We're in Lost Lake, specifically in the Doubletree section. And our featured listing today is this one right here, Cormorant Place. You'll see that they have no neighbors on this side. They're considered an end unit. And there's just a few homes on this street. You can see at the end, it's the cul-de-sac. So it's a great location within the community. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage villa. 3483 Southeast Cormorant Place, Hobe Sound, Florida, 33455. They have extended their patio area with paver blocks. The roof is a 2026. The air conditioner, the water heater, just a few years old. Kitchen was updated recently. The back porch has impact windows. Here's the view from your backyard, little sitting area. All kinds of wildlife back here. The owner tells me that if you sit here when they're about to launch a rocket up at Cape Canaveral, you look between these two palm trees and you'll see the rockets go up. That's very exciting to me. I just love these homes. This is considered the Capri. Let's go inside. Okay, here we are walking inside. You come into the foyer area. Directly to your left is the laundry. And out that door is the 2-car garage. Here's a quick shot inside the 2-car garage. Plenty of storage. And we'll go back inside. Okay, walking from the living room, or the laundry room. You can see the kitchen there. Directly to the left is the formal living room with all of its beautiful built-ins. Plenty of shelving. It's pretty much an open concept for the most part. You can see the kitchen, you can see the family area. It's a split bedroom plan. So this direction is the guest bedroom. You can see a shower, tub, sink. The carpeting in this bedroom is brand new. It's rarely used. There is a walk-in closet. Here you go. Nice shelving. Moving back out of the guest bedroom. Go all the way to the other side of the house, to the master. But on the way, let's take a peek at the kitchen. Beautiful granite countertops, newer appliances, your dining area. Fits a nice sized table and chairs. The family room, sitting area where most people will sit and watch television. You can see through the door back here is the master bedroom and bath. Nice tile floors. There's your bathroom. Double sinks. Shower. Plenty of storage. More storage closets here. Master area. Looking out back over the lake, beautiful views. Another walk-in closet. Again, plenty of storage. Walk back out here. The back porch. Screened lanai. They recently replaced the screen with impact glass. As you can see, beautiful view of the lake. This is a lovely home, just waiting for its new owner.